2005 Infiniti M45. I know you guys don't see these every day, so we said, why not? We'll put a video up for it. It's got 4 catalytic converters, 2 there, 2 there. Then it wires into a single, and usually comes with a resonator here. We cut that off. It comes with 2 more resonators here and here. We cut those off. Then it comes with 2 mufflers, or 1 muffler, sorry, right here. We cut that one off. I'll show you guys all of them in a second. And we straight piped it all the way back. M45 Infiniti 2005, right there. That's how you straight pipe them. There you go. There's the muffler. There's the piping. There's the dual resonators and the 3rd resonator. He didn't want any of that. He wants it as loud as possible. So that's what we did right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. M45. Decibels. Again. Infiniti M45. 109 on the sound decibel. That's crazy. Thanks, sir. What do you guys think? Let us know. There's a cut off. That sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside.
Sir, have fun.